Small.
It's not small. Lagos is a mega city. It's small.
I know in Enugu they don't used to bring Christmas tree. They don't used to use they use this normal tree. And thus they
Would they buy Christmas tree? Do you know how much Christmas tree is now? And then now put it in the road so that anybody that is passing by will just be touching it anyhow. And if they spoil it, money has gone to waste. I don't know that person won't spoil it.
When cotton pass and touch it, cotton spoils this. Do not spoil.
Yes, in the night I saw it before. Yesterday, it was glowing. It was shining. Very cool.
see so
Oui, oui.
no. It's a
Yes.
It's a toy. You drive it. Yes, ma. How to drive? Once and time before. But then I give that thing back.
It means this Benz.
You.
Yeah, Daddy.
What if somebody does fall down out of this thing?
strong Oh my God. We're going up again. Close your eyes now. Sit down. This is not even scary. It's not scary. It's not scary. It's a big view. It's a beautiful.
Now stop again.
No, just sit down. What are they doing? Are we going now?
Yes, nah.
Jeez. After these ones, I'm not going again. No. Honestly.
The thing is going on.
Mommy, the thing is going big up.
Look down. I'm not even seeing that this car.
Jesus.
Somebody's laughing.
Jesus.
Auntie,